harness secure. Check your toggles.
Toggles checked, ready to jump.
Harness and rigging cords checked.
Affirmative. Comms check. Radio clear. Ready to load. Main chute secure.
Affirmative, D-bags packed and ready to go.
Load manifest updated. Move to the aircraft.
The composite armor layering here provides superior kinetic energy absorption.
But what about the vulnerability around the turret ring?
And the Abrams provides the necessary firepower, but the airborne element needs to secure the drop zone quickly.
All teams, check your comms and loadouts. We deploy in 10.
Reviewing the 120mm smoothbore cannon specs, the muzzle velocity is optimized.
Yes, but the schematic for the turret armor still shows vulnerabilities here.
Look at this schematic here. The breech reinforcement allows for a higher pressure load.
Yeah.
Does that compromise the turret ring stabilization?
Reviewing the Abrams armor composition here.
All right, let's shift focus to the Blackhawk's rotor system specs. We need to analyze the engine stress points.
Look at the stress points highlighted here on the blueprint.
That matches the fatigue we're seeing on the actual rotor assembly right here.
Check the alignment on the primary bolts.
Reading confirmed. Moving to the tension checks on the main rotor sleeve.
Inspecting the main rotor sleeves now. Torque checks are critical here.
Confirmed. Moving to the blade attachment bolts.
We need these helicopters mission capable by 0600.
Roger that. Prioritizing the rotor assembly now.
Readings check out on the primary chute.
Confirming auxiliary systems green. Uploading data now.
Ensure the cutter is fully seated.
Sealed and secured. We are good to go on this one.
Initiate the vibration sequence at 50 Hertz.
Sequence initiated. Monitoring strain gauges now.
Unit is connected, running diagnostics.
Analyzing data stream, adjusting the azimuth dial now.
Readings confirmed, system response is nominal.
Initiating navigation system recalibration sequence now.
Monitor the telemetry closely for deviations.
Systems check green, recalibration successful.
Component connection is secure, ready for final inspection.
Seals look good, proceed to quality control. Deployment mechanism secure and green.
Confirmed. Ready for final pack. Keep it steady on the rollers.
Confirmed. System secure, moving to the next connection point.
Deployment mechanism secure. Handle operates smoothly.
Verified. Ensure the results are logged in the Q57 manual. Harness strap secure. Deployment mechanism operational.
Confirmed. System 22 is green.
Ensure the riser covers are secure before we sign off on this one.
Roger that. All systems green.
Buckle secure.
Secure. Check the tension on the main straps.
Looks good, moving to the next unit.
Bolt slides freely. Action clear. Confirmed. Ready for transport loading. All right, lift on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Moving it up the ramp now. Watch your footing. Secured. Locking mechanisms engaged. Verify the comms gear is secured to the pallet. Locked down, Sergeant. Ready for final weight check.
Tighten those straps one more time. Affirmative, tightening now.
Load secure. Chains engaged. Straps tight. Cargo secure for transport. Loading is complete. Prepare for high velocity deployment. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Keep moving. Pick up the pace. Let's get through this tunnel. Stay focused. Push harder. Move, 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 move. Let's go, let's go. Diagnostic complete, signal strength at 98%.
Roger that.
Comms check, loud and clear.
All right, team, secure that panel. We need this fire control system calibrated by 0800.
Run the diagnostic again, confirm the stabilization. Load up! Let's move, move, move! Green light, go! Airborne, 1,000, 2,000.
This parachute represents the legacy of the U.S. Army Airborne, a force defined by bravery and an unwavering commitment to duty.
The legacy of the U.S. Army Airborne is defined by these aircraft and the brave soldiers who jump from them. We honor our past while remaining ready for the future. The legacy of U.S. Army Airborne forces, defined by these aircraft and the brave soldiers who utilize them,
These displays showcase the enduring legacy of the airborne forces, highlighting their critical role in rapid global deployment and military history. These artifacts represent a legacy of valor. The airborne forces stand ready, deploying rapidly anywhere in the world to protect our interests.
The U.S. Army Airborne Forces legacy is defined by bravery and significant contributions, ensuring we remain globally ready for war.
Check your static lines.
All clear, jump master. Stand up, hook up. Static line secured. Secured, jump master. All clear. Static line secure. Ramp is open. All right, move the first bundle. Go, go. Push it forward, hold it steady. Locking rollers now. All right, secure that strap. Keep it coming. Watch the left side. All right, hold it there. Secure the load. All right, push it forward. Steady, steady. And set.
Electrical check, systems 1 through 4.
Copy that. Conduits connected and secure.
Stand by for power up sequence.
Main chute secure. Reserve checked. Weapon system green. Pin is in place and seated correctly.
Confirmed. Ready for jump master inspection.